At Cornell Cooperative Extension of Jefferson County, we offer a wide variety of youth programming. From our 4-H virtual academy to virtual nutrition lessons, to Camp in a Box, to our after-school program, we have something for everyone. Participate in a cooking class with our nutrition educators. Practice mindfulness and yoga with 4-H. Join the 4-H after-school program. Put your skills to the test with Camp in a Box. Or so much more. Our programming is available for classrooms, families, and individuals. We can work with you in person or virtually.
I'll tell you, the CCE program for us, we've had it twice in 2 different versions in this school over the years, and unfortunately had to not have it for a period of time. So I think that gap taught us at the school how important the program is for especially our youngest students to have age-appropriate educational activities to do every day. It really, really is the only option for kids in this community.
It's perfect for the grant that I work under, the Healthy Families for a Hopeful Future, because it's going to allow me to coordinate the services in the area to provide these programs for our students. And Cooperative Extension is a great resource that I had never tapped into before. I think the staff has been very professional, very helpful. I really can't say enough good things about them, and I've enjoyed working with them, and I think this is going to continue, for some time.
My daughter completed Outdoor Adventures Camp in a Box. It included many wonderful activities. There was choose your own adventure, hiking, solar oven, making your own with s'mores, knot tying, tie-dye, that was definitely a favorite, build a compass, and paracord bracelets. The activities got her off of the devices, got her outdoors. We did most of the activities outside during a nice sunny day. If you haven't taken advantage of any of the Camp in the Box programs that have been offered, you should.
Contact us if you'd like any of our programming in your school or home.